Hi friends, today we are going to unbox the new BOAT AirDops 138 truly wireless AirPods. Let's go to the unboxing. Let's unbox. Let's see the specifications. It has got Insta-Wake and Pair technology, Lightning Bluetooth 5.0 Type-C charging port. It has got a 650 mAh carry case, easy access multifunction control and instant voice assistance. Let's unbox it. Here's the BOAT AirDops 138. Let's keep it aside and let's look what all are there. Here is a Type-C charging cable. Type-C charging cable for the case. Let's keep it aside. Here are some papers. Here's the user manual and a 1-year warranty card. New warranty card. Now let's see the product. I bought the midnight blue color, which is looking a bit grayish. Now let's see the AirPods. It has the BOAT logo printed here. It has 3 LED indicators, the Type-C charging port. Now let's open it. The AirDops. It has LED lights and a multifunction button here. Now let's put it in the ears. It's comfortable in the ears and it's standing stable in the ears. The sound quality is good and it's connecting faster to the phone. It's priced at 2,990 rupees. I'm winding up the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.